Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to create this makeup look. This is a very bold burgundy smoky look which I have created with a nude lip, and I am really happy with the look, and you can just wear this look during the festive months as well as during any parties or any night out, and this makeup look will look very nice with your black dress. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please continue watching. So as usual guys, I have moisturized my face and done my eyebrows. For the foundation, I have used these two foundations. This is the L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation and I have mixed it with the Nyka SKINGENIUS foundation, and the L'Oreal foundation is a very matte foundation, so in order to get a glowy look you can mix a very dewy foundation with it. And I'm just dotting this foundation all over my face. Now taking my Pune store makeup sponge, I will be blending out very nicely. Since it's a bold makeup look, you can just layer out your foundation to get a full coverage, and you can see my base looks really nice. Now for the concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium and put it under my eyes in the form of an inverted triangle, as you can see. I will be also using it to prime my eyelids as well as put it on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my cupid's bow, on my chin as usual, and then blend it with the help of the same sponge. Now taking the Nyka SKINGENIUS Compact in the shade 03 Warm Honey, I will be setting my whole face. It's a really finely milled guys, and it's a great compact and it just sets your makeup like anything. So I will just set my concealer with this compact and also set my overall face with it. Now it's time to do my eyes, and for the eyes I'll be using the Makeup Revolution TRALS versus Neutrals palette. So taking that burnt orange shade, I will put it in my crease. You have to blend this color very lightly. You have to take your time and just build it up very slowly, because this makeup look needs a transition shade which actually look diffused and blended. So you have to work on your crease very nicely. So this is the star of the show. This is the Beyu Color Biggie for Lips and More matte lip crayon in the shade Bohemian Bordeaux, and I am using a lip crayon as a base for my eyeshadow. You can use any gel eyeliner of the similar shade as your eyeshadow base. Since I don't have any such thing, so I am using my lip crayon as a base eyeshadow. So I am taking a stiff blending brush and blending it all over my lid as usual. You have to blend this crayon very nicely so that there is no harsh edges. Now going back to the transition shade again, I am blending the edges so that there is no harsh lines. You have to take your time in blending the eyeshadow color since it's so dark and so pigmented. So now I'm taking that burgundy shade from the palette and placing it all over my lid to set that base shade. Now taking a clean blending brush, I'm blending everything out so that there is no harsh edges. Now taking that dark chocolate brown shade from the palette, I am just putting it in the outer corners of my eyes to create the smokiness. This color is really nice and blended so nicely with that burgundy shade. So now it's time to do my lower lash line, and for the lower lash line I'll be taking that burnt orange shade again and put it in my lower lash line as usual, and you can see I'm taking the shade a little lower because I just want that shade to pop up. And now taking that burgundy shade again, and I am just placing it very close to my lash line. Now I'm taking that dark chocolate brown shade again and put it in the outer corners of my lower lash line. This will just create the smoky look on my lower waterline. Now taking that champagne shade, I am just highlighting my brow bone with it. I will be also highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with that same shade. This will help to open up my eyes. Now I'm taking that VOSTE smoky kajal in the shade charcoal black, and it's really pigmented, it's smudge proof, waterproof. So I'm just tightlining my lower and upper waterline with it. You can see how it turned out. I'm really liking it. So for the liner, I'm using the Hilary Rhoda felt tip liner pen in the shade black, and it's really affordable, guys. I got it from a local store and it only cost me rupees 150. So I'm just drawing a regular wing. So now it's time to apply false eyelash, and for this I'm using PAC Mink eyelash in number M75, and it looks so dramatic, you can see. Now I will just complete the rest of my face, and for contouring I am using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in the shade C04, and I'm taking that contouring shade and putting it on the hollows of my cheeks in order to make my chubby cheeks looks a little bit slimmer. I will also put it on my jawline to hide my double chin. You always want your face look very sculpted and structured. I will also contouring my nose as usual because it's a bold look and you should be looking very defined and sculpted. So I'm really happy how it turned out. Now to add a little bit of color, I am using the Nyka Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Brazilian Bombshell, and I'm taking that first shade. This is a brownish mauve shade, and I'm just putting it on the apples of my cheeks. I'm taking the same highlighter shade from that same contour kit in a highlighter brush and putting it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow. You want yourself to look so glowy. Now for the lips, I am using one of my favorite lip crayons, and it's the Nyka matte-illicious lip crayon in the shade Jade Rose. It's not a typical nude shade, guys. It's a nude which is mixed with a little bit of reddish burgundy shade. It has got a red burgundy undertone which actually just complements Indian skin tones so nice. And I think that this lip shade will look very nice with this eye look. So I'm really happy how it turned out. Now to set my overall face, I'm using the Forest Essentials Rose Water Facial Mist, and I'm taking a good little shower in it. And this is the finished look, which I really like. So this is how it turned out, guys. I really like it and I hope you also like this video, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel for getting more such makeup looks. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.